Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change gender in Bigo Live. Whether you've entered your gender incorrectly when signing up or just want to update your profile information, this quick and simple process will guide you through. First of all, launch open the Bigo Live application on your device. Also make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are inside the home page, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu, tap on your profile picture. From your profile section, go to the top right and tap the pencil button. You'll then end up in this edit page. From your edit screen, scroll down and look for the basic information tab and select gender. Now select a gender you want to change to, or let's say correct your gender that you've entered incorrectly and click on save. And soon after that, your new gender or your correction will be applied to your Bigo Live profile. You have successfully changed your gender in Bigo Live. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.